Hey YouTube's Asho56, Asho Productions. We got Yellow Cat and Cleavon. Yellow Cat, Cleavon. Alright. Anyways, today, oh yeah, I suppose I'll show you. Look at this thing. It's an old Dodge bus, 16 passenger. Towed it home on a trailer with the Ford here. A lot of stuff's changed. Barn fell in. Sister got a new car. Pool fell in. Didn't even have that in the last video. That's Skylar.
Why?
Skylar! Skylar, say hi.
Ashton, quit videotaping me.
Nah. Alright. Time to get serious. Okay, so we got the Mazda here. We still got this little piece of shit. No one ever uses it. It runs and drives fine, just no one ever drives the thing. This. My fine mobile right here. It's not mine, but pretty much. Anyways, I am doing the head gasket again. Dang, my voice! I got a really bad cold. I'm doing the head gasket again. This is the second time doing the head gasket. Put zip ties on this to hold it, you know, so the chain don't move. And it's at top dead center this time. Last time I didn't put it at top dead center. I just didn't turn the motor at all. I just left it right where it was shut off at. Anyway, so I pulled the head, I pulled the radiator, pulled quite a bit of shit out. You got the cold air, and the chips can is the head bolts. And his new head gasket. I just put one in and it drove 7 miles and blew up. Don't know why. I got to looking at it. Boom. Blowing out right there. Boom. Blowing out right there. And boom. Blowing out right there. On the bright side, got a brand new radiator, and the gasket on that I think is still good. On my oil pan thing, or valve cover, got they took the intake manifold off. Finally got it off easy this time. However, it still took forever because the damn bolts on the thing are a bitch to get loose. And yeah. I haven't made any videos in a long freaking time. Show you the inside. What the hell? Wow, that just shreds. Not much. Five-speed, first gear, second, you know. Yeah, that's about it. I don't know, what's the mileage on this bitch? 208,099. It's got plenty of life left in it. Just needs to be run a little bit. No, it's got that many miles. Like I said, I'm redoing the head gasket, and hopefully it's gonna run. Huh?
It's getting dark. I need you to run that pickup out there.
All right.
That shit off. I want to hit a log or something.
Okay.
Drive it out now.